Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I know you'll be expecting this video guys, because on my last video I talked about the next thing we are going to be discussing is how to navigate our 1688 app, like how to buy and get familiar with 1688 guys. So in today's video, that's exactly what we'll be doing guys. I'll be showing you how to navigate 1688 without any issue guys. So since we have been able to create our account successfully guys, so the next thing is how to use our app. So before we get started guys, so make sure you like and subscribe if you want to learn anything about importation, because in this channel that is what we literally discuss guys. Anything about importation, how we can help you import goods from China successfully guys. So guys, I'm sure you will need more of this video because we'll be dropping banger for to banger guys. So make sure you like and subscribe guys. So now let's get started. So the first thing I want us to discuss is, so firstly, we will first need some apps, you understand, to navigate our 1688. So the first app we will be needing is Google, guys. So you see this app right here. You will be needing this app, Google. So if you don't have it already, go to, what's it called? Go to Play Store and download this Google. But you should have it on your phone because mostly all Android have this app on their phone, guys. So download Google, and if you are using iOS, you should also download. You should download this Google because you will need it, guys. So go to Apple Store and download it. But for Android user, it's already on your phone. Check it out. Go on Play Store and download it, guys. So the next app we'll be needing also is that, excuse me. Okay, now the next app we'll be needing also is Google Translate. So Google Translate, this is the next app we'll be needing to. So you see this app right here, like download it also guys. So just go on Play Store and search for Google Translate guys. So it will bring out this good. So just download that product guys. So, and if you don't want to go through all this like method, like you don't want to deal with the stress and all guys, so you can contact us for procurement job because that's what we do. We also help people to procure goods down here to Nigeria from China guys. So now let's continue guys. So the first thing I want to talk about is how to search on 1688, like how to search for a product on 1688. So let us open our 1688 app guys. So this is our 1688 app. Wait, it's loading. I want it to load well before we continue. This is our 1688 app. I don't know why the network is slow. Okay, so now this is our 1688 app guys, as you can see. So this is our 1688 app. Actually, this is the English version of 1688. So like I said in my last video, 1688 have released a English version of the app because they're also like they made a review and they see that like 75% of the buyers of 1688 are actually not from Nigeria, are actually not from China, guys. So they are from around the world. So like, okay, so what can we do to ease the stress of these people buying from us? So that is why they released the English version. And this English version doesn't mean everything is translated in English. As you can see, these are Chinese guys. So that doesn't mean everything is translated in English. Like there are just some key parts that is translated in English. So guys, you will need Google Translate. So, and I'm sure you have downloaded that now. So now let's go to picture search guys. You can see all this own message and card also are in English. So the former one I was using before I changed my phone, it's like everything is written in Chinese because that was Chinese version. So I just decided to download the English version guys, and I've teach you how to do this in my last video. So if you missed that video, go back and go and watch it guys. So now let's continue guys. So how to search for a product on 1688 guys. So this is the search bar, as you can see right here. Let me indicate it. So this is the search bar guys. So anything you want to buy, just type it inside the space guys. So that's the search bar. But I want you to do something. Let's say you want to buy a bag. You won't just go and type bag. Like you won't just go like this and type bag. Okay, you won't just go like this and type bag. Yes, it will bring a list of bag for you, but you won't get much like quality supplier by typing like this, you understand? So this is not how to go about it when you want to search for a product on 1688. You can see it brings different bag, but this is not how to go about it. So the best way and the best thing you can do is you will wait, okay, you will go to your Google Translate, then wait, then you see this detached language. That means anything I type here, it will it will automatically detach the language if it's English. You understand? You see it's English here. Let me just press something. Let's just write I'm coming. coming. So it will detect it as English. Then this part you just change it to Chinese simple. You can see Chinese simplified. So change it to Chinese simplified. So now just type bag here, then click on go. So you can see this is how bag is written in Chinese. So then you come here to copy it. You can see, so copy to clipboard. So then come to 1688, then paste. You understand? You will paste it. So that is how to go about the searching method on 1688. Let me put that into the search bar. You can see bag. So you can see it brings a lot of Chinese. So it will bring a lot of good quality bag here. Like they are very, very cheap bags that you will find here. So you can see it brings a lot of bag. So tons of bags, tons of bag. And one thing is that like most of these people are actually very good suppliers, guys. So that's why it is better to type in Chinese, guys. So it's better to chat in Chinese. So guys, that's how to go about searching for product on 1688. So the next thing I want to talk about is picture find. Let's say you are looking for, like, you can't find the bag you're looking for here. Like you'll be scrolling, and you can't find the bag you're looking for. And you have the picture of the bag you're looking for exactly. So this is how this works. Like you picture find the picture of the bag you are looking for exactly. So how do you do that? How do you picture search? So it is very easy thing to do. So now guys, you see this place right here. You see this camera button here. So you will click on this camera button. So let me click on it. So oh sorry. So now let me click on it. So guys, as you can see, it's bringing picture of what I have in my gallery, guys. So now let's look for a bag here. So now let's say this is the bag I want to buy on 1688. Let's picture, like, I will click on the bag. I mean this bag right here. So wait a minute. So I mean this bag right here. Let's say this is the bag we want to buy on 1688, guys. So let's click on the bag now. So guys, what do you see? You see a lot of that bag, guys. You can see there are different suppliers that sells that bag exactly. You can see how beautiful that bag is, guys. So this bag I just purchased it for a client. This is the bag, guys. So and you can see it's in different amount: 8.06 yuan, 13 yuan, 13.5 yuan, 15.73 yuan. So it comes in different like prices, guys. So that is how to picture, like that's how to picture search on 1688. And one thing I want to also discuss is that, guys, how to know a manufacturer. So manufacturer is a company, like company that produces that bag exactly. Like how to know manufacturer and a, like, and just a vendor. Understand? A manufacturer is someone that produces that image, like they have a big company and they make the production themselves. So and a vendor is just like someone that went to manufacturer and get the price from them. You understand? Then sells on his own. So now, so how do you know a manufacturer, guys? So this sign right here, you see this sign right here that looks like a bull sign. So that is how to know a manufacturer. So if a supplier has this bull sign, you can see, so that means that supplier is a manufacturer. So that supplier made that product. Like they have a company where they made that product. They are not people that just went to a company and just buy the product. So they made that product. You can see too, this one too also has that sign. So that means this also a manufacturer, guys. So that's how to know a manufacturer and a supplier. You can see this 13.5, like you can see this 13.5 bag. So this product right here, you can see they just like 13.5. You understand? So if you translate very well, you will see like the name and all. So it doesn't have that sign. So this is just a ordinary supplier, guys. So this is not a manufacturer. So that's how it is, guys. So now the next thing I want to talk about is understanding product page. So now let's just click on this. Let's just click on one of the supplier, guys. So guys, now we are at one of the suppliers page, right? So I want to teach you how you can understand this product page, guys. So how do you do that? Firstly, I will advise you to, the first step is first screenshot, guys. Let me screenshot. So I've screenshot now. So the next thing is go to your Google Translate, guys. go to your Google Translate. Okay, then click on this icon here. Oh, some people might not get it, so let me indicate on the icon I clicked. So click on this icon here. You see this camera icon? Yes. So click on that icon. Then the picture will just screenshot. Then just what's it called? Just click on the picture and then click on translate. Understand? So that's what to do. So click on translate, guys. So as you can see, it has translated here. So what do you see here? You see hot sales starting from 00, one piece minimum order. One piece minimum order, guys. So let me indicate that. So one piece minimum order, which means the MOQ of this supplier is one piece. So you can buy one from this store. You don't need to buy like 5 or 10 or anything. Understand? So the minimum this supplier sell is one. So that's what we call MOQ, minimum order quantity. So, and what's the name of the bag? You can see there's like niche design bag, 2025 new bag, women, spring got online and all. So that's what you see there. So sold more than 200 pieces of this bag. This supplier have sold more than 200 pieces of this bag here on 1688, guys. So now, as you can see that part, and if you scroll down here, you can see the like features. You can see the store like chart, add to cart, then buy now. You can see. So it's not really that hard. What you just need to do is, if you are confused on what next thing to do, you understand, just go to your Google Lens and screenshot so that you can see the meaning of what is written. You understand? So now we are at this part also. You see this part right here. Let me indicate. You see this part right here. You don't really need this part, right? So you don't really need the part. So what you really need now is, like, the part you really need now is this part right here. So this is the review part. So this supplier has two people review the product, and both of them give like five star. That's why you see this 100% right here. You understand? I mean, people that review, people that like that write the review. You understand? So they are just two. So, and these are the two people, one here and this is the second one. So but when we talk about like the supplier store and all, you can see like there are over 175 reviews here and 118 stuff here. So what you just need to do is, if you are confused about all this stuff, just screenshot. You can see 99.7 here. So this is a very good supplier. Like I said before, like this is a manufacturer, so he's a good supplier. A lot of people buy from him. So that's why you can see all this stuff, guys. So now the next thing we'll do is we'll scroll down, guys. So we will scroll down. So since we have known the MOQ of the supplier, we have known everything. Like we have seen that it has reviews and all. So the next thing we want to check is, yes, the supplier has been selling on the website. You understand? Since which year have the supplier have been selling? Because I would advise you guys to buy from nothing less than like 4 years. Like buy from a supplier that has been on the app for nothing less than 4 years. There is a reason to this, guys, so that you won't get scammed and you won't be sent the wrong products. Yes, they are manufacturer, yes, but you can still get scammed if you don't know your way. So you can get scammed if you don't know your way. But if you know, like if you follow every step and procedure, like I'm telling you in this video, so you won't have any problem at all. Like you'll be buying smoothly, like without any problem. So let's check the year the supplier have been selling. So this is the year the supplier have been on the app, guys, since 2014. So that is over 12 years. So this supplier is a very good supplier. You can see over 12 years, and the supplier has a 4-star rating. So the highest rating is 5 star. So this supplier has a 4-star rating, guys. So that means this is a very good store, guys. So this is a very good store to buy from. So now that's all about this part, guys. So if you find this video helpful and all, so make sure you like and subscribe, guys. And if you have any question at all, like any question, just drop it in the comment below, because I check every comment, guys. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section, so I will check it and I will answer you, guys. So that's all about the navigating of 1688, guys. So it's not really that hard, like I said, like I told you guys. So, and one thing I also want to say about this product is that this product page is that, you see this page, when you pay for a goods, like it will appear here to ship. Understand? And when your goods is shipped, it will be like it will appear here to receive. You can see I'm expecting one goods. That goods is in transit right now. That goods is on the way, so it's in transit. I don't want to open this goods now because if I open it, it will show the tracking ID, and I don't want to show my customer tracking ID, guys. And the here part, you can see in review, guys. So you can see here to be received. So I have 67 order to be received right now because I just made some purchase last week and 67 has arrived already, so it remain one. So like I said, I do procurement, guys. So if you ever want to buy anything or get anything from China, just send us a picture and we will help you with the procurement. So that's how it is about this tab, guys. So that's all for now for this video, guys. So if you have any question, make sure you send us a message. Understand? Like I said, I check every comment, guys, and I will reply you. And if you want to learn importation, like you want a one-on-one class, you can send us a message on WhatsApp, guys. I will leave my WhatsApp in the description. So if you want to have a one-on-one class with me, like I will teach you one-on-one, then you will have to message me on WhatsApp. So that will be all for this video. So thank you, guys, and I'll see you soon.